Hi viewers, welcome to one of the most loved airports in the world, Singapore Changi Airport. In this video, I'll guide you step by step through transiting at Singapore Changi Airport. Though we landed at Terminal 2, all the terminals are interconnected. This guide will help you understand how Changi works, how to move between terminals, where to relax, eat, or refresh at gardens, and how to reach your gate smoothly. We are now entering the Transai launch zone. This area acts like a calm buffer between flights. It's free. If you have a short layover, this is already enough. Seating is plenty and everything is clearly labeled. The airline counters are available to assist you on your connections. From these points highlighted, you can transfer to Terminal 1 and Terminal 3 or even Terminal 4 from other terminals. Changi Skytrain is connecting all other terminals. Check whether your connections are within Terminal 2 or other terminals and take the Skytrain accordingly. The Skytrain is free, fast, and runs every few minutes. No stress, no long walks, and no confusion. This is the place to go down for immigration if you are arriving in Singapore. Please watch our arrival guide on the channel. If you want to take a brief relax middle of plants and flowers, Enchanted Garden will be the place with soft music, lush plants, and subtle lighting make this perfect place to reset after a long flight. A big part of any transit is finding good food and a comfortable place to relax while you eat. Changi Terminal 2 makes it easy with two food courts, one on this level, another one on upper level. Let's take a quick walk through the food court here first and then head upstairs to explore the food village. At the end of this food court, you will find a small play area for kids. Now, this is where Chunky really shows off the food village. This area feels like a mini street food hub inside the airport. Open seating, warm lighting, multiple cuisines under one roof. Perfect if you are traveling with family or friends. Everyone can choose something different and sit together. If you have more time or launch access, Terminal 2 offers several excellent lounges. Most lounges are here provide comfortable seating, shower facilities, hot meals, and quieter zones. Even a 2 to 3 hour layover can feel like a mini hotel stay. Thank you. Sunflower. Before heading further, don't miss the Sunflower Garden. Yes, a real sunflower garden inside the airport. It's open air, bright, perfect for a short walk or a quick photo and relax. During the day, it's sunny and cheerful, and at night, it's peaceful and quiet. Nearby, you will pass through Dreamscape, a digital nature experience, moving visuals, ambient sounds, and soft lighting, creating a dreamlike transition space. It's subtle, but it adds to Changi's magic. Travel doesn't feel rushed here. Now it's time to head towards Concourse F. There's a transfer lounge with relax and other amenities. Follow the transfer to F gate signage. Everything is clearly marked and easy to follow.
Okey එන්න. ගොඩක් දුර නැතුව ඇති.
You've now reached the end of this guide and you've successfully arrived at the F gates. Please proceed to your designated gates. I hope this walkthrough helped make your transit at Changi Airport smoother and stress-free. I look forward to seeing you again in another video. Until then, keep flying.